What if you could monitor your driveway, garden, entrance, or outdoor space without installing a traditional outdoor security camera? This tiny mini window camera is designed to sit indoors against a window and monitor the area outside. It combines Wi-Fi connectivity, smart motion detection, two-way audio, night viewing, remote access, and a surprisingly compact design. But does this little camera really offer a practical alternative to an outdoor camera? Welcome back to Caring Guy. Let's take a closer look. The main idea behind this camera is simple. Instead of mounting the camera outside, you place it indoors facing through a window. That can make installation easier because you don't need to drill into an exterior wall or expose the camera directly to outdoor weather. The product listing describes a high-resolution camera with up to 3-megapixel resolution, while some promotional information also refers to a 1080p class video experience. That means the exact output should be checked against the specific version you receive, because product listings can sometimes use different resolution descriptions. The main benefit of this camera is that it can provide a sharper outdoor view than a basic low-resolution indoor camera. You can use it to keep an eye on entrances, driveways, gardens, or other areas outside your home. One of the most interesting features is the claimed full-color night vision. Unlike traditional black and white night vision, full-color night viewing aims to preserve more visual detail when lighting conditions become difficult. Of course, real-world performance will depend heavily on the amount of available light and the environment outside the window. And because the camera is shooting through glass, reflections can become more noticeable at night. This is something to keep in mind when choosing the camera's position. For connectivity, the product information mentions Wi-Fi support with different versions and listings indicating 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz compatibility. However, always check the exact specification of the version you purchase. Some similar smart cameras support only 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, while others support both bands. Once connected, the camera can provide remote viewing through a compatible smart home application. The product information mentions Tuya and Smart Life app compatibility, allowing users to view the live feed remotely on a smartphone or tablet. With remote access, you can check the camera feed from your phone when you're away from home. That could be useful for checking what's happening near your entrance, watching a driveway, or simply keeping an eye on a specific outdoor area. The camera also supports multiple user viewing, so access can potentially be shared with other authorized members of your household. As always with connected cameras, use strong account security and only share access. The camera also includes motion detection. When movement is detected, the app can send an alert to your smartphone, helping you know when something is happening outside. The latest version is also described as supporting humanoid detection, which is designed to help distinguish people from general movement. That can be useful for reducing unnecessary alerts, but the actual performance will depend on the camera's software and app version. Another useful feature is two-way audio. With a built-in microphone and speaker, you can communicate remotely through the app. For example, you might use it to talk with someone near the monitored area or communicate with family members. Keep in mind that when a camera is installed behind glass, sound quality and volume may be affected, depending on the installation position. For recording, the camera supports a MicroSD card up to 128 gigabytes, according to the product information. There is also cloud storage available as a paid option, with promotional terms depending on the service and region. Local storage can be useful if you prefer recording directly to a memory card, while cloud storage can offer remote access to saved footage. Before relying on the camera is designed for a relatively simple wireless setup. The product description highlights one-touch Wi-Fi connection and a plug-and-play installation approach, meaning you don't need to run an Ethernet cable through the entire setup. That makes it appealing for people who want to add a camera without a complicated installation process. But there are a few things to consider. First, this camera is designed to look through a window, so reflections can affect the image, especially at night. Second, The exact Wi-Fi support may vary between versions, so check whether your specific model supports 2.4 GHz only or both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. So, is this mini window camera worth considering? If you want to monitor an outdoor area but don't want to install a traditional exterior camera, this compact design offers an interesting alternative. The key features include high-resolution video, window-based indoor installation, Wi-Fi remote viewing, full-color night vision claims, motion detection, humanoid detection on supported versions, two-way audio, MicroSD storage up to 120. Its biggest advantage is the simple concept. Keep the camera indoors while monitoring the world outside through the glass. But performance will depend on the exact model, Wi-Fi version, lighting, and your window setup. What do you think about this mini window camera? Would you use a camera that monitors the outside from inside your home? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoy discovering interesting smart gadgets, security technology, and innovative products, make sure to subscribe to Caring Guy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.